Now I want to show you another way to make your images pop, and that's with the use of arrows. You see how a lot of these YouTubers, they use arrow here, arrow there. Not everybody uses it, but it's relatively common, like arrow, right? And these are pretty popular YouTubers. Like, for example, this person has 1 million subscribers. So they know what they're doing, and this person's pointing. So you could just point. You could take screenshots of yourself and point, or you could use arrows. So let me show you how to do it quickly. In this lecture, you'll find a bunch of arrows that are just images that I created for you and found online that you can use without any problems. You'll never have problems using them, that you can easily add to your images. And I'll just show you the finished design here. Look, I added this green arrow because I wanted to emphasize some text. Georgian song in English and rewritten. I really wanted to have that stand out because that's the unique factor about this song. So now this little green arrow signifies to the viewer or the potential viewer that this is important. And no other image in the videos that this video will compete with has an arrow like this. So this is going to draw attention. And again, sometimes it's hard to know what the exact results are going to be like because this might turn people off. Every situation is unique. It has a unique audience, unique taste for the type of video. So generally speaking, arrows work. So generally speaking, adding this arrow, and all I did was just drag and drop right here. You see you can have multiple arrows pointing wherever you want. Obviously, I don't want it's too many. This is just me showing you, but that's how easy it is to add them. So in seconds, you can have arrows, and in the downloads of this video, I'll give you a bunch of arrows pointing in different directions in different colors. The arrows I'll give you will cover most cases. If there's some arrow you need pointing diagonally or to the other side or down or up or from some other angle that doesn't make sense with your design, then you just find what you need online. You can look for arrows. There's many pre-made arrows out there. Or you can hire a designer for $5 on Fiverr.com. They'll make you an exact arrow that you want. But you shouldn't have to do that. You can just use the arrows I'll give you. So that's how you use arrows to immediately get more attention.